Okay. It's been way too long. This is another iPad case. I've left you guys out there, have not been bringing you any iPad cases, and I apologize for that. I'm sorry. With that being said, this is Average Tech Guy. We're back today. STM, the Atlas, iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's get it on and check it out. So I've been trying to get my hands on one of these cases for a while. This is by the company STM, or Smarter Than Most. This is the packaging. This is what everything looks like on the inside, designed in Australia. This actually comes in the case. I already took it out. On the back, let's read a little bit about this case. It's for the 11-inch Pro iPad, lightweight, slim design. You got variable viewing, you got multiple viewing angles, Apple Pencil charging, Apple Pencil storage, textured fabric cover, and it does auto sleep wake. So we're going to put it to the test. We're going to check it out. We're going to see what works, what doesn't work. We'll see what we like and what we don't like. Now, to tell you up front, this is not a cheap case. This case is going to run you about 58 bucks. That being said, let's take a quick look at it. Textured outside, got the STM logo down here. On the back, camera cutout. On the inside, this is probably one of the hardest liners I have seen in a case. So bravo, STM, bravo. We talked about those multiple viewing angles. We got them right there. And we actually got another one right there. Now I'm gonna move the box out of the way because it's bothering me. And let's go ahead and put the tablet in, because this is the best way to figure out what is gonna work for you. So snaps in really easy. Look at how that looks. Closes up. Auto sleep wake functionality is a go. Apple Pencil charging is on deck. Take that off. Apple Pencil storage is great over here. There we go. Now it has a little latch right here, or a little slot. You'll be able to stick your fingers in there, pop it out. So you have one of two options for storing your pencil. On the side, charging. Now remember, side is open. You don't have any protection for that pencil. So if it does let loose, which it shouldn't, the magnet is really strong. If it does let loose, it's going to slide right out. That hard plastic backing is taking care of that tablet. On the inside, this camera sits down in that nice groove right there. Camera does not poke out, so you don't have to worry about that getting busted up. Now let's do a quick test, because a lot of people want to know what this looks like when you're holding it in like a book mode. And I'll tell you right now that that is what it looks like. Now you're going to get that bulge. It's going to look like that sometimes if you're not holding it down really tight, because there is no magnet capability in this case whatsoever. No magnet in the front, no magnet in the back, nothing going on there as far as a magnet. Multiple viewing angles, because this inside is microfiber. So all the way back to here, from here all the way, microfiber lining. You can stand this up anywhere in between. No issues. It's going to stay because it's gripped with that microfiber lining. That's for your viewing angle where you're going to be using entertainment. And then if you flip it over, slide it in, boom, you get a typing mode just like so. So what do I like about this case? The texture outside is really good, really nice touch. On the inside, you got that nice microfiber lining that's going to keep your screen from getting jacked up. Auto sleep wake is always a big plus. Apple Pencil charging is available with the case, and you actually have extra storage over here to keep it more secure. Our buttons are open, so we don't have to worry about going through a case. Everything is nice and open. All our cutouts are matching up. All that looks good. What don't I like? There are no magnetic features. So when you're just hanging out, doing your thing, that can come off. Boom. There's no magnet to hold it in book mode. So when you're holding it, there we go. You're gonna have to try to keep it lined up really nice and neat. So I guess my biggest quarrel is there are no magnets on this case. And for 58 bucks, I think I should at least get a magnet somewhere that's gonna hold my case and help me to be more stable and more steady. Next thing I don't like is the way pencil is open right here. Could have been a latch or something similar to the Otterbox Symmetry Series 360. But I know STM has their own thing. I've been trying to get my hands on the STM Ducks, but it's always sold out everywhere I go. So if you guys know of anyone who has one, you want to shoot me one, STM, if you're listening, if you want to send me one to do a review on, please do that. People like your products, people talk about them a lot, and we really want to see. So since I can't get my hands on one the old-fashioned way by going to buy one, STM, hook your boy up. So this has been my review of the STM Atlas. This is just a slim portfolio. Doesn't add a whole lot of weight to the iPad, but it's really protective. Has that nice hard plastic back. Like I said, this is one of the most, this is the hardest plastic backing I've seen in an iPad case. You get these grips here. They're gonna hold everywhere. See your grips right there on the bottom. Little rubber grips. Anywhere along that microfiber lining. It's a great case. Just, I feel like for 58 bucks, 60 bucks, I should be able to get a magnet in here somewhere to hold my cover to my screen. So I hope this has been able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.